Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an insurance claim request letter. This is a formal letter used to request compensation or reimbursement from an insurance company after an incident, loss, damage, or medical expense covered under your policy. It is very important because it provides official documentation of your claim and helps ensure your request is processed accurately and efficiently. Now let's break down each part of the letter step by step, following the exact structure, and I'll show you what to write, why it matters, and I'll also give you a useful tip for each part to make your letter more professional and effective. Check this out: sender information. This is the first part of the letter, where you provide your personal contact details. You should include your full name, address, email, and phone number. This ensures the insurance company can identify you and contact you regarding your claim. For example, Daniel Carter, 1458 Oak Ridge Avenue, Houston, Texas 77002, daniel.carter@email.com, 713-5554829. Always make sure your contact information matches the information listed on your insurance policy to avoid delays. Date, for example, August 18, 2026. After your contact information, include the date the letter is written. This is important because it creates an official record of when the claim request was submitted. Submit your claim as soon as possible after the incident, since many insurance policies have filing deadlines. Recipient information. This section identifies the insurance company receiving your claim. You should include the claims department, company name, and address. For example, Claims Department, Safeguard Insurance Company, 850 Financial Plaza, Dallas, Texas 75201. This ensures your letter reaches the correct department for processing. Double-check the company's official claims mailing address before sending your letter. Subject line. The subject line clearly identifies the purpose of your letter. This helps the claims department immediately understand what your request is about. For example, subject: insurance claim. Request for policy number SG45892176. Always include your policy number in the subject line to help speed up claim identification. Salutation. This is your formal greeting. It keeps your letter professional and respectful. For example, Dear Claims Manager. If you know the name of the specific claims officer handling your case, use it for a more personalized approach. Opening paragraph. In this paragraph, you clearly state your claim request. You should mention your policy number and briefly explain the reason for your claim. For example, I am writing to formally request reimbursement under my insurance policy, number SG45892176, for vehicle damage resulting from a traffic accident. This is important because it immediately tells the insurance company what your claim involves. Be direct and specific. Avoid vague descriptions that may delay processing. Incident details paragraph. Here you explain exactly what happened. You should include the date, location, and factual circumstances surrounding the incident. For example, the incident occurred on August 10, 2026, at the intersection of Main Street and Elm Avenue in Houston, Texas. My vehicle was struck from behind while stopped at a red traffic light. A police report was filed at the scene, and the other driver was cited for reckless driving. This section is critical because it provides the evidence and context needed to evaluate your claim. Stick to facts only. Avoid emotional language or assumptions. Damages and costs paragraph. In this section, you explain the losses or expenses you incurred. You should clearly state the damages and total amount being claimed. For example, as a result of this incident, I have incurred repair costs for rear bumper replacement and trunk panel repairs. The total amount being claimed is $4,250. This helps the insurance company assess the value of your claim. Use exact figures supported by receipts or estimates whenever possible. Supporting documents paragraph. This paragraph explains what documents you are attaching. Supporting evidence is essential for validating your claim. For example, attached to this letter are copies of all relevant supporting documents, including the police report, vehicle repair estimates, photographs of the damage, and completed claim form. Organize your attachments neatly and label them clearly for faster review. Request for review paragraph. Here, You formally ask the company to process your claim. This is your direct request for action. For example, I kindly request that you review my claim and process it in accordance with the terms and conditions of my insurance policy. Please let me know if any additional information or documentation is required to complete the claims process. Keep your request polite and professional to maintain a cooperative tone. Closing paragraph. This is your final statement before ending the letter. It expresses appreciation and reinforces your expectation of a response. For example, I would appreciate your prompt attention to this matter and look forward to your response regarding the status of my claim. Always express patience and professionalism, even if the claim is urgent. Thank you statement. For example, thank you for your time and consideration. This shows courtesy and professionalism. A respectful tone can help create smoother communication throughout the claims process. Closure. For example, sincerely, this is your formal sign-off. Always use professional closing phrases in insurance correspondence, signature and policy details. Finally, include your name, policy number, and claim reference number if available. This confirms your identity and helps the company locate your file quickly. For example, Daniel Carter. Policy number SG 45892176. Claim reference number CLM2 026-8745. Double-check all reference numbers for accuracy before sending. So that's how you write an insurance claim request letter step by step. As you can see, every part of this letter plays an important role in helping your claim get reviewed efficiently and professionally. Before we wrap up, here are some important overall tips you should always remember when writing an insurance claim request letter. Always provide accurate and truthful information, include all supporting evidence, and keep copies of everything you submit for your records. Be clear, factual, and professional in your wording. Most importantly, review your insurance policy carefully so your request aligns with the coverage terms and conditions. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, Writing Practices, for more writing tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next video.